Hello, hello! We're back for some more open source Warlords work tonight. I'm streaming, normally I would stream Friday, but I'm streaming a day early because I think I got stuff going on tomorrow. So, tonight we will work on Warlords Core. I did a little bit of work off stream last night. This to do, let me show you. So last week we talked about we were gonna remove the server-side costs and revert it back to the requisition file. So Rook, who also works on EU11, beat me to it, so I used his solution for that. Let's get our development environment set up. Oh, yesterday I think I was reviewing some code for EU11 and I completely messed up my source control over here. It was really bad. I don't know what I did, but I ended up completely deleting my local repo of EU11 and just getting a new one off GitHub. Like, wow. I don't know what I did, but I did something real bad. And I noticed last stream the music was just a little bit loud compared to my voice. So there we go. Dropped it by 2 decibels, I guess there. Alright, so let's pull up our to-do list and let's start knocking stuff out here. So remove team balancing. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, this is CP. There we go, here's CP. And something nice also did. So all this team blocking, team switching stuff is now, he wrapped it in a little if statement here. So it only kicks in on 11. But even with that, we're still going to go through here and figure out this whole imbalance thing here. Anyways, let's add some comments here. Team switch. This is a team switch section of the code. I think this is the balance section, but okay, so a UID, it's getting the UID of the player. Okay, so it's then grabbing a mission namespace imbalance. So let's go find that. Okay, so when it's running this set new warlords up is when it's calling this. So it's okay, so every time there's a new warlords, it's doing friendly minus enemy, and it's seeing if the difference is greater than 3. So then it's adding the player to a player list. Okay. And it's adding them to the player list. Okay. Then it's setting a, let's go look up this var and balance. So what I'm worried about here is I think this might be but I think I could get rid of all this if I just wrap this in a if U11. So then we never have to worry about it. Yeah, I think that's going to be a thing. I can just completely skip this entire chunk of code. Except right here, I think I actually want this part of the code. Yeah, it might be a bad idea. Okay, well, let's document this. So this is so if we do need to work on this again, we can okay, so team switch and team balance setters, because it looks like it's just setting the mission up to flag people. And I could basically set this to some number, ridiculous number, like 9, just to make sure it never triggers. And here, I think I can completely get rid of this imbalance section. Okay, and this is the yeah, get rid of these naming filters as well, but we'll do that on the next commit. Okay, remove. Team balance. blocker. Okay, so we remove the team balance blocking code and set the value setters to a large value to avoid triggering the code blocks. Yep. And check that off our list. Team balancing out of here. Okay, so some other things we want to do, infantry and jet skis from requisition. I'll go clean this up. I'm going to be getting rid of a lot of these infantry. Basically just going to simplify the menus a whole bunch here. There's a lot of these infantry, they almost never get used. Like an ammo bearer? Like, who actually uses ammo bearer? Get rid of that guy, because he has... I think that guy might have mines on him. Alright, cool. There we go. So we kept the combat lifesaver, marksman, diver, repair specialist, then all the heavy weapon guys. And I'm keeping the actual settings in here. I'm just commenting them out in case anybody in the future ever wants to come in and modify things. It's much easier if I just leave the class names in here. Okay, so we're at marksman, assault diver. Okay, get rid of the guy with the mines. Okay, then keep all the heavy. Cool. And we're gonna... I said that, but I am actually getting rid of this one. This, There we go. Okay, nice. Got that all cleaned up. Hey, we're also going to get rid of these raised weapons because there is a set mass issue with these. So if they're not placed on basically perfectly level ground, they'll tip over. And I think we're also going to get rid of these auto turrets because they are literally just there to troll. So one of these days I'm going to go around to fixing this because the center of mass is too high on these raised turrets. what I looked at doing was you can change the center of mass and lower it. So if you lower it, I don't know, like a meter, maybe half a meter or something, you would stop them from tipping over. They're just modeled really, really poorly, which leads to a really bad user experience. Okay, so I think we got this pretty much cleaned up. Oh, save that. Let's do a quick check to make sure we haven't broke anything. Forgot to do that before we did the last commit, which is a very bad practice. Should always at least open up the game and locally make sure you haven't broken anything. Oh, Arma's taking its sweet time to load today. You know, I didn't even look at what mission I was sending these commits to. Okay, whew. I just went and checked to U11. I was like, wait, did I just send all these changes to U11? That would be a disaster. Oh, since our last stream, players discovered the aircraft carriers. I was wondering how long it was gonna take, man. Yeah, there was a ton of posts in the U11 Discord this weekend because somebody, I guess they found it, told a bunch of their friends, and then they were making videos and stuff out there. So yeah, today is August 2024. I added those in March of 2024, so it took pretty much 6 months for people to find them. You know, we probably need to fix this starting. I'm gonna add that to the do list real quick. Fix starting base code. Not hell yeah airports.
Warlords protocol initialized. Voting for the next sector. Select sector.
Look at this. That is awesome. Nice, clean, effective. Except this guy, this Dwarden guy, he's really ineffective.
Selected.
Just kidding. But yeah, it's and we've cleaned this list up a bunch too. clean this up, but we're literally about to start adding stuff to this, I think. This is nice and clean too. I like it. Something I was actually thinking about doing. Back to wider right here. Filter by menu by CP per minute. So what I was thinking of doing, and I'll probably set the values really low initially, is all these requisition files, I would filter these by CP per minute income. So when you start the game, until you capture the first town, you want to get infantry. And then once you're above, you know, like 100 CP per minute, you get access to vehicles. And once you're up above like 500 CP per minute or something, I don't know, like what the values would be, you would get access to airplanes. So I would just add progression to the game mode a little bit, because we're going to be adding the tech tree as well from Miller Edition. Actually, I don't know if we're going to add it to this. I may, if I get this polished well enough, I may use this mission as a starting point to rebuild, like do a Miller Edition 2.0 or something, instead of porting Miller Edition features over here. Yeah, let's buy something real quick though, make sure things are working. So this guy costs 20, I'm at 150. Cool, that worked correctly. You know, something we forgot to do the other day, we didn't document those changes we made. I'm gonna go back and look at the mates available stuff we were doing last week. We did not document it, and one of the core features of this mission is I want to make sure things are documented properly. Documented and moddable are the keys. Okay. Double check, see what happened there. Okay, interesting. Overhaul requisite file. Let's see here. Infantry, jet skis. Oh, you know what we didn't do? We didn't do the Emmett Frop for. So I think we got rid of all the actual back-end code for spawning trucks and spawn pods. Go. Oh, maybe we did. Yeah, I don't see anything blue for over here. Okay, cool. I must have got rid of it already. Nice. And I don't see any Op4 stuff over here. Okay, cool. So we can take that off our list. Actually, let's look around a little bit. What on earth is this? arsenal config. Why are the fudge is all this stuff manually listed in here? Okay, so this admin filter, we can get rid of that. But let's double check here. Make sure it's not referenced anywhere else in the mission. Okay, we've removed the Zeus from the mission, so it looks like we can get rid of this code block. Oh, this is admin ID, not admin filter. So this looks like it's grabbing the admin IDs, which we have no admin IDs. We got rid of all those. Then down here, it looks like it's filtering their chat messages. Okay, so we can get rid of all this. And so this is a bypass right here. So this list value is grabbing the admin filters, which we've... Huh. I think I may leave that there for now, but we're going to completely get rid of this. I think this may cause an error though, because if it's gonna try to get the I wish I knew what this old code was. Because if it tries to reference this and the file's not there anymore, it's gonna completely mess up. Tell you what, we're gonna comment these out, but it's not gonna have a list. It's gonna throw an error right here because it's looking for. Actually, you know what? We can just completely get rid of this. Problem solved. So remove delete marker. Oh, actually, we didn't push that last change. Okay, so we haven't saved these yet. Okay. Okay, I want to make sure I'm documenting all this correctly. Removed. What is this? Handled chat message. Remove chat filters. Removed. Marker. Blocks. Marker delete. Marker filters. Okay. Okay, so it looks like this is purely just here to block people with their stupid names. So I can get rid of this. Remove name filters. And our final item right here. Remove. Moved admin filters. Okay, let's do a quick spin up of the mission. Time to see if we missed something here. Nope, does not look like we did.
Protocol initialized. Voting for the next sector. Select sector.
Just calling a little homie just to make sure things are working.
Sector
Yep.
selected.
Here we go. Very nice, very nice. And this is going to be kind of a short stream tonight, only because I'm kind of busy IRL. I wanted to get some stuff done. Okay, cool. Let's do. We are banging these out. Let's go. All right, all right. I think we may have done these two steps here. Remove the trucks and the spawn pods. But while we're here, we need to figure out this arsenal config. I've never seen this before. So get rid of this file if we can. Arsenal config. Okay, so what? Why are they doing this though? Okay, so let's try to figure out where this order arsenal is getting called here. Okay, so this is the UI setup. Yeah, handle client requests. Okay, so they're ordering arsenal. Then they're calling order arsenal. My only question is why? Why are they trying to filter this? So I'm pretty sure I can literally just comment this entire while statement out. Oh no, I need to keep it. I think I need to keep this little section right here. Actually, no, let's just, for real, comment this entire thing out here. What color is that? Purple? Did that backwards. There we go. Okay, so now the only thing that's going to run is this if find display blah 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 arsenal, and then nothing else should run. Feel like I should probably, if this messes up, I'm gonna go look at Miller Edition and see what that section of the code is actually doing. Like I get that they're trying to filter items for teams, but I don't really care. Like manually adding items to a manually adding items is just like what? Awful.
Sector selected.
There we go. So they're trying to stop people from doing what I just did there. But I kind of look at it as it's a self-correcting issue. Like even when this is the outfit I typically wear when I'm playing officials. And I get shot in the back so much, dude. Because people are like, oh, you're green. You're a green guy. You're a green guy. Dude, look at your map, man. Like, okay, so let's... Okay, cool. We have full access to the arsenal again. And let's double check super fast. Yeah, let's double check that. No, let's actually get rid of all these. Yeah, arsenal config. Completely get rid of this. Goodbye. Oh, I checked the mission file last night. I was doing a quick check on the dedicated server. And it was absolutely awesome. We were down to just a single megabyte on the file size. Which I think means we've now cut out probably 75% of the... of the EU11 code so far. Pretty good still. We got a ton more we can do. I think I can easily get this down to probably 700 maybe. Still keep things functional. Okay, cool. That all worked. Only got about 10 minutes left. So, see, try to get some more big wins here, as far as files go. Removed all arsenal filters. Okay, let's see if I was on my list somewhere. Nope. But we do have remove on flip. Let's see if we can do this. This will actually be a fun one. So first thing we need to do is find... So the unflip will be... Okay, so script functions, all right. Delete that. And I think I'm gonna leave this other one here as an example. So now I'm going to here. Just trying to see how this gets added. So we're going to add unflipping back to the mission, but since this script was made, there's an engine level unflip. So what I need to find is unflip. Let's do some more searching here. There we go. This is what I need. Delete that. Oh, just found something that should not be there. Deleted that. Okay, cool. We can completely delete this unflip. Bam. Deleted. Moved unflip. Oh. Okay, so let's save. Delete that. Okay, cool. And next up is this dis. Not super sure what this does, but it's no longer going to be in the mission here in a couple seconds. Okay, so let's go look up what this is actually doing here. So first thing we're going to search for is dis. Okay, this sucks. There's like 10 billion freaking hits for this because display. Okay, so let's do Sam. Rearm timers, okay. Whoa, what do we got going on here? Livery change? Why? Okay, delete. Oh, deleted too much. Moved. Sam paint change. Alright, let's go back through our search list. Okay, here we go. If asset. Okay, gonna delete that. Okay, and this is the order defense, so I think that is probably where it was coming from. Okay, what do we got going on here? Frag. Okay, this is the actual disk stuff. Okay, so we found the spot where it was getting attached, and we can get rid of all of this. This, by. Comment this. Example function of where to place item for scripts. Wait. There we go. Oh, and that's probably a great point. We're literally right at the top of the hour, so that's when I said I would stop. See if I had anything on my checkbox. So we got remove unflip. And we didn't have Sam on our list, but that's okay. It's pretty productive 45-ish minutes we just had there. So I will try to see you guys again next week. I'll try to get at least an hour of Warlords stuff in on stream. We're probably going to get I actually don't know if I'll stream next week because we're probably going to get a new EU11 release, and I'm going to be kind of busy late doing hot fixes and stuff for that. So we'll see. We'll play it by ear. If I do stream, it'll probably be about the same time next week. So see you guys then. Bye-bye.